Hello. Welcome to the 5 Best Review. Here we bring the best brands for you after research so that you can make a smart purchasing decision. Today we presents the 5 best carbon fiber wallet to buy in 2021. Before diving into today's product list, don't forget to hit the subscription button to stay updated. If you want to check further, links have been added in the description box. Let's get started. On top of our list, in first place we have the EGNT Carbon Men's Leather Wallet. This is a beautifully designed carbon fiber wallet that is specially crafted for day-to-day use, and even as an accessory, it is the perfect wallet for every type of man. The Carbon series from EGNT gives shoppers a diverse selection of both functional and simplistic designs to suit your personal needs. The material is carbon fiber, which has an excellent weight to strength ratio. This means that it can withstand daily wearing and tearing. It is corrosion resistant. It does not deteriorate with exposure. The wallet features a blocking technology that keeps your cards safe from unwanted data scanning. Features: functional and slim, high-end quality, anti-theft, added security and privacy. Moving to the next one of the list. In the second position we have the Pataka Mag Easy Carbon Fiber Wallet. This wildly imaginative wallet is like nothing else on the market. Someone must have sat down at some point and said, let's completely reimagine how a wallet should work. The end result is the ingenious modular design that is the Pataka Mag Easy Carbon Fiber Wallet. Using a smart magnetic closure, this stylish, slim, and luxurious wallet is made of modular layers that connect through a series of magnets. These magnets are strong enough to keep each layer together, but also weak enough that you can fan out each layer, giving you instant access to the entire contents of the wallet. The modular design allows you to decide how thin or thick you want your wallet to be. Each layer is for a specific use, such as holding cards, cash notes, coins, or keys. Features: carbon fiber, magnetic closure, ultra slim and lightweight. Coming up next. In third place we have the Travelambo Money Clip Front Pocket Wallet. This is a nice slim pocket wallet for when you don't want to carry a lot with you while you go out. It comes in a huge variety of colors, so you won't be lacking to find one that matches your outfit or watch. With 3 card slots and a great cash clip, you'll be set for any date. Travelambo wallets are dubbed the wallets of the future, which is pretty accurate. This wallet at least proves their point. It has an innovative design, and is very thin. It also excels when it comes to functionality and convenience. With it, you can carry a maximum of 10 cards, which is even more than some traditional wallets could carry. To make it easy to retrieve cards, Travelambo included a push and pinch functionality. Features: leather lining, superb quality, refid blocking wallet. Now moving to the number 4. RC Fibers Genuine Carbon Fiber Money Clip. Here's a subtle shift on the minimalist wallet design. The carbon fiber on the RC Fibers wallet comes in the form of a beefy money clip. A leather insert has the capacity to hold 4 cards, with 1 cutout slot for fast access. Wrap your bills around the insert, then slide the carbon fiber clip over the whole affair for slimmed down etc. That's a step more complex than a standalone money clip. Features: genuine carbon fiber, 1 middle pocket and 2 side pockets. Made in the USA. In the 5th position we have the Yikon Carbon Fiber Wallet. The Yikon Carbon Fiber Wallet is made of carbon and top grain leather. It is of very high quality and should definitely last you a very long time. The wallet can carry a total of 20 credit cards and about 10 bills. In essence, this wallet will help you cut down on the number of items you carry, and eventually turn you into a real minimalist man. You can also travel to any place in the world without worrying about electronic identity theft, since the refid blocking technology used in making this wallet applies to all frequencies in the world. Features: high quality carbon fiber material, refid blocking technology, sleek design for easy use. Thanks for being with the 5 best review throughout this video. We hope that you have already made up your mind for the right best carbon fiber wallet. Do comment if you have any query, and don't forget to share it with a friend. See you guys in the next video.